Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another video. This is another unboxing video, and this time around we are taking a look at the Gioteck TX70. So that's the Gioteck TX70. So this is a wireless headset, stereo radio frequency wireless headset for gaming. So this covers capabilities for PS4, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro and PC. And I've also got reports that this works with PS5 as well. I'll be doing a short test later on, and I'll be feeding back before the end of this video what my impressions are for that. Okay, let's just take a quick glance at what this headset has to offer. So on the left hand side here, we can see that it's got 2.4 gigahertz wireless radio frequency. That's how it transmits using a USB dongle, and it's also enhanced because it includes 50mm drivers. It has an athletic mesh. The fibers around the earmuffs has an athletic mesh, and it has a lay flat design. That means that rather than lying on its sides, you can flip it over, which we'll see later on, and how it can lay flat on a desk or on a table. And it also has a 15-hour battery life. On the left hand side here, just simply says the wireless stereo gaming headset TX70. And then on the other side, just the headset being displayed. Alright, at the top just says what that says there, and then at the back, at the very back, we just have a brief information on what it entails. The TX70 wireless is the pinnacle of gaming headset designed for PC, PS4, and I presume PS5 as well, even though it's not said on the box. A high quality athletic mesh cushions and a lay flat design delivers exceptional comfort over extended gaming sessions. Enhanced 50mm drivers provide immersive sound with optional bass boost to enhance your audio experience. The 2.4 gigahertz wireless solution delivers ultra low latency while preserving its 15 hours battery life, guaranteeing an exhilarating performance for every gamer. Includes 3.5mm cable to support Xbox One, Nintendo Switch and mobiles. So you can plug it in directly into the headset to use a 3.5mm jack audio. And we just have general information at the bottom. All right, let's pop this bad boy open. Okay, it's got a seal on there, it's got a seal on this side, and then it's got another seal on the other side. Okay, it's got a nice design, and laid flat, and it should, technically speaking, just slide out like so. Nothing else in the box. So here we have it. This is the headset. So it comes, as I said earlier, with a USB dongle, which is located down here. It's the USB dongle. that plugs into your PC or your PS4 or PS5. Alright, and then the headset itself, which looks really good, if I do say so. It's very light as well, very light headset, and the foam here is very soft, and as you can see as well, it's very nicely labeled, the right and the left, so you know which side to use. I presume that's purposely designed so that you can know where the controls are, as you can see here. So here is the volume up button, and that's the volume down, volume up and volume down, and then here is the EQ. I believe that's how you can switch on the optional bass boost, which I've heard that is quite good. That's the power button. That's where you plug in the 3.5 jack if you want to plug into a mobile phone, switch, or even directly to the PlayStation controller. And that's the micro USB charging port, and I presume that's, you know, how you can charge it. It would have been nice to come with Type-C for fast charging, but that'll do. That right there is a pairing / resetting pinhole that you can use to pair the device. And finally, which is one of the best features that this has, is the flip to mute mic. So this right here is a really nice design. So when you flip the mic like that, it unmutes automatically, and when you flip it back up to place, it mutes the mic. That's the LED light on this side. Is there another one here? Yeah, there's another one here. Okay, and then a very nice plastic but stylish design on the sides, and this is rather soft as well, but the same texture and material used here is used here as well to make it very nice and soft. And to show you this, the lay flat design, so you can lay flat that way as well. Okay, just gonna put the headset to the side for a moment, and we're gonna come back to the box because there should be more stuff in there. So leave that area here. So right there we can see the micro USB to USB cable for charging purposes, and then this is the nicely braided 3.5 audio jack to 3.5, so that plugs to the headset, and that plugs to the other device that you wanted to use if you don't want to use wireless. And I presume using this mode as well, if you run out of battery, you can carry on gaming after 15 hours. And this is a nice and thick manual with a few guides on how you can set up. And last but not least, it's just a support card in different countries. Alright, that's pretty much it. If we come back to the headset, so like I said, I love the fact that it indicates which side is which. I like the oval shape, and it's quite unique because, you know, it's almost a square-ish sort of shaping. Most of the other ones I've ever used is usually the traditional circle shaped ones. So it feels really nice in the hand. It feels a little bit quality. This will be my very first wireless gaming headset that I will get. Got this in Argos, and that's pretty much it. So you can extend like so to match comfort level, and that's pretty much it. All right. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to come back in a few seconds, and we're gonna check the mic quality, and I'm going to show you the mic that I'm currently using, which is a gaming headset I'm currently using for recording, and then we can do a very brief comparison there. So all right, and we're back, and I've done some tests. It took me about 4 hours or so. I had to charge it because it's not completely fully charged from the box when you open it, and you can't start using it either because it's completely dead. So you got to charge it. Charging took roughly about 2 hours to completely charge it to full battery. And I've tested it on my mobile phone, I've tested it on my PS5, and it works wonders there. The flip to mute function on the headset works better on devices that uses the USB dongle. The USB dongle that came with the headset. What else can I talk about? The bass is very full of quality and volume. A lot of depths in some of the tracks that I listen to. And like I said, the flip to mute function works wonders. As soon as you pull it down from the from where it's stored away to on the side of the headset, it kind of mutes itself automatically, and unmutes it. So as soon as you pull it back up, push it back up and store it away, then it goes back into mute position. Then the comfort on it, I've been using it for about an hour or so now, and it's quite light. It feels very free around my head when I'm using it. So, and it's very comfortable to wear, to put on. Very adjustable as well. So I'm sure you guys will be happy to hear. If you've got PS5, it works on PS5, including the 3D audio, the 10 audio. It also works very well in parties. I've joined a party, and my party members confirmed that the sounding of the mic is very good. They can hear me clearly, and I can also say that the mic produces a very low volume white noise. So it's not very detectable as soon as you listen to it if you record anything. But normally when I tried testing it, it had a very low volume of white noise, which obviously you can adjust on PS5 when I tried using it with it. So the indicator light, when it's charging, it flashes rapidly, and when it's when it's pairing, it flashes rapidly, and when it is charging, it just pulses slowly, and then when it's completely charged, the LED light is off. Even though in the manual it does say that when it's fully charged, the blue LED light right there becomes stable. It's not actually stable, it just completely goes off to signify that it's fully charged. Alright. Another thing to mention is that when you get it, once you fully completely charged the device for the first time, the actual USB dongle that comes with it has been synced with the headset. So when you plug it in, either to your PC, to your PS4, PS5, it gets detected automatically. Because when you after I fully charged mine and I pulled it out, powered it on, it started flashing rapidly in the way of it trying to locate the USB dongle. So as soon as I plugged it into the PS5, which is the back of the PS5 where I plugged it into, it detected it instantly, and I started hearing the sound coming from the PS5 from it. And I can also say during my testing that because I plugged in the USB dongle to the back of the PS5, it wasn't producing a stable wireless communication properly. So what I mean by that is, within my first 10 minutes of testing, after plugging into the back, it was getting a little bit of skipping, and it sounds sometimes now and then that the audio coming from the PS4 was trying to catch up to the audio going into the headset. So it wasn't perfect, right? But as soon as I unplugged it from the back of the PS5, plugged it into the front of the PS5, that really changed the performance completely. It became very stable. It gave me a connection to replicate almost like I plugged it in using the cable. It was very good. So I'm guessing if you're going to use it, make sure that nothing is blocking the headset itself where you are, and there is nothing blocking the USB dongle itself. And I also tried testing the range as well. So when I walked around a little bit, like I would say about 5 meters away, in a radius kind of fashion, 5 meters away works perfectly well around it. So it's got a good range to it, and you don't lose any audio in the process when you're a bit far away from where it is. All you have to make sure is that nothing is obstructing the Wi-Fi radio frequency between the headset and the USB dongle. So I believe that's it. I just wanted to take some extra time to explain a bit of a few things that I've tested, and I hope you guys enjoy. As I promised, I'm just going to show you guys the headset I was using before, prior to now, put that side by side with this new one. So alright, so here we have it. This is my old headset that I got. It was probably it's a headset. It's not very popular, as you can see. I got it from Wish. I think I got it for about £16 thereabouts back then, and it's a wired one, as you can see. It's got the mute as well as volume, and it also has an LED as well, but much more designed fashion. So it plugs into USB for power to the LED, and then for audio for that one. And of course, you've seen the new headset. Alright, so we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining, and I'll see you on the next video.